Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So we're going to make some baked broccoli. I've got some lovely broccoli in there, and then we're going to make a really simple, I mean it's really easy, cream, tomato, garlic, herb sauce. We're going to pour that over, put some cheese on it, bang it in the oven, job done. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to kick off with our broccoli. Now what I've got there is 2 heads of broccoli, you know, the whole head, and I like to use a lot of the stalk, as you can see. I mean, some people sort of cut their broccoli there and they sort of waste all that, but I love that in there. That's up to you what you want to do. Now what I've done is I've just blanched it or just steamed it very lightly, so it's cooked but got a real nice crunch to it, and it's still very crunchy, and set that into an oven-proof dish. As you can see, I'm using metal. You can use glass or you could use ceramic. So get that done, and then we're just going to make a really simple sauce to go on top of this. So to make this sauce, I mean, like I said, this is really simple. We've got 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then here I've got a teaspoon, and you can change this and put whatever you want in, but I'm using 3 herbs, tarragon, thyme and oregano. Nice little combo there. And then here, 400 ml, which is like a can of, a regular sized can of tomatoes. That's a whole plum tomato. I'm going to crush that in a moment just with my hand. And then 400 ml of cream. Now I'm using a thick cream. It makes no difference if you use a thick or a thin cream. It'll work out exactly the same. We're going to get to the cooker. We're going to start this off. We're going to add a little bit of cheese into the mix and some salt and pepper. So you're going to need a pot, pan or a skillet or something like I've got here. And in there I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Really simply, let's drop in that 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, salt, black pepper, medium heat, 4 minutes. Really, really simple this one, like I say, really easy. Okay, beautiful. Let's drop in our herbs now. Like I say, 1 teaspoon thyme, tarragon and oregano, but you could just put 1 of them in if you want, or maybe rosemary or basil or something like that. Maybe a bit of chili, up to you. Now 1 can of tomatoes, which I've just roughly crushed up with my hand. Another 4 to 5 minutes on this medium heat. Give it a stir every now and then. Simple. Really, really wonderful. Okay, we're now going to go with an equal amount of cream. In that goes, like I say, I'm using a thick cream, but thick or thin is exactly the same. It's going to work out the same, don't worry. Give that a nice mix, turn it into a beautiful colour. I'm then going to add some Parmesan cheese. I've got some grated Parmesan here. That's like 2 or 3 tablespoons, and about half a cup or maybe a little bit more of grated cheddar. You could even put some cream cheese in here, you know, like some Philadelphia, maybe a bit of gorgonzola, a nice blue cheese. It's up to you what you want to go with. Right, we're going to cook that for about another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. Our sauce is done. We're going to pop that onto our broccoli. Okay, so you saw me just pop that sauce on the top and then spread it out a little bit. Now, what I need you to do is get your oven on absolutely maximum heat, as high as it goes, just as hot as it goes. Preheat that, so you want that to go into a nice hot oven. Bit more cheddar on the top. And then this is gonna go in the oven for like 9-10 minutes. I mean, you know what we're looking for. I mean, everything's kind of done. We're just sort of bringing it together. That time in the oven will, ensure that the broccoli gets cooked nicely, because like I said, it's very crunchy at the moment. Fantastic. I'm going to pop that in. I'll see you when it comes out. And there you go, look at that, really beautiful. Lovely, creamy, tomatoey, garlicky, herby, whatever-y broccoli. Fantastic, hope you enjoy that, guys. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon. Lots of love.